Today, we're going to be doing a review on the newer NL660 lights. Hi, I'm Taylor of Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you're subscribed to our channel and then click on that bell so you're notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been uploaded. For one-to-one training or just to support our content, please click above and connect with us on our Patreon page. So we actually purchased a lot of stuff from Neewer. We really do like this company and the products that they manufacture. And this particular set is the Neewer NL660s, and we actually got them in a 3-pack. So with the 3-pack, it came with 3 light stands. Honestly, I'm not that impressed with the light stands. The light stands feel a little cheap. They feel like the larger lights that we're gonna do a review on in a different video, we didn't wanna use it on because it just didn't feel like it could hold a lot of weight. But for these little guys, it does a great job. It also came with a remote. With this remote, you're able to adjust the intensity of the light output as well as adjust the color temperature. And what you can also do is set your lights to different channels, so then that way you can select the correct light, make the adjustment, and then choose a different channel in order to adjust that light. And then you do put it on just using a Sony NP battery. And so as you can see here on the back, there's a slot for 2 of them for this particular purpose. I'm just going to put 1 in, and you just simply push it in. I don't like how you don't hear a snap. Something about hearing a snap or a click just gives me a little more confidence and reinforcement that it's truly in there, but just slide it in and push it down, and believe it or not, it is in there. And so as you can see, it does have some barn doors, so you can angle your lighting better. And then here on the sides, these are adjustable because many times you're going to want to put it on the tripod more so like this. So that way you have more flexibility in the angling that you want to put your light. If you would keep this down, then with the barn door open, you wouldn't be able to angle it downward if you needed to have it kind of come up and down. And so when you're setting it up on the tripod or on your light stand, make sure that you kind of put the right there, like as my finger was a light stand. And so as you turn it on, you can see here that there are 2 on switch. The one to the left is for the battery, so that's what we're gonna do. However, if we had it plugged in, then we would go to the right to choose the adapters. So when we turn it on, you'll see that there's an LCD screen, and on the top left, you're going to see that it's gonna give you your battery. And so you can always take a peek at this whenever you're on set to see what your battery setting is like and if you need to replace a battery. And then here at the top, you'll see that this is the intensity. Now it does go up to 100, but it only goes in 10 increments. So it's gonna go from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's fine for the most part. However, I do like it when I can be a little more exact. Sometimes I've found that I need 68% or 52%. So that is once again a little bit of a downfall to me. Then here you can see that it's color temperature adjustable. And so from 32 all the way to 56. And you see here how it just rolls and rolls and rolls. So you can just keep on rolling and rolling, and there's no marker point of the left side is 32 and the right side's 56. You just keep spinning it until you get to the color temperature that you want. It does produce a lot of light. It actually does a really good job producing light given the size. I was a little concerned when we first got them that they weren't gonna be bright enough because of their size. However, they do a great job. We really do like this set as a whole, and it was fairly affordable given the quality and the light strength of these 3 lights. It does come, at least with our particular set, it did come with a bag, but not the best lighting bag, to be completely honest. We're gonna probably upgrade that bag because the bag just feels cheap whenever you're putting things back in it. It doesn't feel as secure as I would want my lights to be. And so as a whole, the newer NL660s are a great set. Some small kinks that I would like to improve on. However, given the price, if you're looking for LED lights that are color temperature adjustable, that are dimmable, These are a really great option. If you have any other questions about this product, please leave them in the comments below, and make sure to look at our website on the equipment tab for equipment recommendations and easy links to Amazon to purchase the products. We appreciate your support, and I look forward to giving you another review or another tip very soon.